based on the numbers I just mentioned on the previous slide, the long-term forward average PE is 22.5. I think we'll not get to that level in the current state because investors want to see what's going on. But let's say it goes to 18 times in 28 because they've gained a little bit of more confidence than they have now. Then it's a 500 kroner stock in just a few 2.5 years out. And you get a little bit of dividend. So accumulated, it's a 15% CAGR potential. No guarantees on this one though. So it's just for inspiration. And Novo is not the only one that have taken a big hit. The Eli Lilly valuation has also taken a big hit because the total market for obesity drugs, I think at the peak, it varies a little bit who comes with the numbers, but it came from zero.